after watching that video, parang sobrang ano lang, I'm just, I'm just really grateful na grabe yung mga kasama namin, yung mga kazers, and now even the between, kasama namin palagi. I'm really, really just grateful na even over a decade after joining X Factor, nandyan pa rin po kayo. May mga umalis, may mga bagong natagdag, pero ang dami pa rin nag-stay. I'm just really grateful. I don't deserve that much love and effort and huy, iiyak siya. Iiyak din ako. Pero ayun, palagi namin pa nag-uusapan ni DJ. Hindi namin maintindihan kung bakit may mga taong ganong klase kong mahal. Na minsan pumupunta sila sa mga shows kahit yung mga nandun sa Jeddah, nag-e-effort bumabiyahe, alam na kanila sila physically pupuntahan. Pero thank you po, maraming salamat. Ikaw na. Pero yun, just really, really, really grateful on behalf of DJ of course, and I'd like to thank our Ninang Duncan because all of these things wouldn't be possible hindi po dahil sa inyo. So maraming salamat. Kaya na namin kayo po pasalamatan isa-isa. Maraming sa gagawin po namin. We're just really grateful. It was an overwhelming and overflowing gratitude and love for all of you. Gagawin po namin yung best namin every single time we go on stage because that is what you guys deserve. Kasi every time na magpunta kayo sa mga game namin, grabe yung effort na pinupuhos nyo. We appreciate that so much. Hindi lang kayo basta fans because this is a fan meet, but this is actually a gathering of a very big family. Maraming salamat.
Ay,